Hey, hi everyone. Let's fix yours and my YouTube channel. So this is something that I've been working on for the last 2 weekends. I just launched this couple week back, and so last month I created my own YouTube channel. And man, like there's you need to learn so much about YouTube itself if you want to create content. So I created this internal agentic systems that can scrap and analyze and help me in optimizing metadata and all. And I posted about it, and a lot of people had a very good feedback about it. So I published this as a website. Uh, okay, so but what I want to cover in the what the agenda of this video is, it's not just to showcase this website. We will first do a demo of this website, then I'll show how I manage this website, and then we will deep dive further into how I manage the marketing of it, how I manage the front end of it, and how I manage the back end of it. Okay, so let's get started. So yeah, so this is the website. Okay, so it's currently hosted on Vercel, and its database is in Torso, and it's hosted in Vercel. Okay, let's say, so whichever YouTube channel you have, you can do a quick 30-second preview of what all small issues that might be there if you are going off niche, or if you are so what people do is like you are very close to subscribers, and on you flood your content and you go off niche and all, and then YouTube penalizes it. Like one good content is better than the 100 uploads. So yeah, just be very focused on the niche. So I will demo this by my own channel, that I this same channel. So suppose you don't even need to log in, and it's mostly free. I just had to add a paywall so that people don't use too much APIs, and that cost a churn on my end. So let me show. So my channel is Sang Labs. Yep. So this is free analysis, and yeah, if I without login also if I do, so this should take some 30 seconds. What it does is that it fetches the YouTube public APIs on the recent 100 videos, analyzes your niche, and what all action items and quick fixes you can do. Yeah, it's very quick. There are other platform like vidIQ and all, but they have like proper dashboard and lot of very high cost and all. This is something I just created for myself, but I'm like a backend guy, so this was very excited to if I can create something like a website. Okay, so this is like a free preview. So this is pre-monetization stage. This 27 subscriber, and this is the overview view trends. Let's see. So yeah, I haven't posted in last 1 week, and the algorithm saying the biggest unlock. This is like a very high level. These are like the free one. Now if I want to have like a better analysis, I need to log in. Okay, let me log in. So I have a admin account. Let's see. Okay, let me log in with my admin account. Okay, so now this is an admin account, um, and because I have like free a lot of unlimited free credits because it's my admin account, I'll go with the pro version. The difference between pro and non-pro is you get basic model, and the pro runs on the best model that is available and coming in, and it gives you much more deeper insight. So I will just run this my channel analysis against this. Okay, let me run that. Okay, okay. So while it is running, let me show you at least the DB part of it. So currently I'm running this on Torso, and one thing I would suggest, like I don't prefer Lovable and Replit because that doesn't give you much control. If you want to have control over your design, like anyway with the agents and all, you can control at a document level. You don't need to actually code and everything, but still you want to have a control over your front end, back end, and design decisions, right? So yeah, I prefer to do it my way rather than using any, and that gives you much more control and profit also, because you don't have to give them premium charges. So this for a lot of at least I think for some initial records, and this is mostly free. So what I do in all my databases, I maintain a rolling 2-day snapshot. So suppose if this is 14th, so I will maintain a snapshot of 13 and 12th. And if once we move to for 15th or 16th, 2 days, anything less more than 2 days will be auto deleted, so that I always have one, if my something is lost, some data is lost because of some AI, because I run it in a full control way, like it just runs without any check, so it can do some DB edits and I can lose some customer data, so I maintain some snapshot. Let's see. Yeah, so this pro analysis takes 2x time. So let this run. Okay, cool. So for yeah, so this is deployed in Vercel. I have analytics enabled, so that gives me some initial, like what all is, where my data is coming from and everything, bounce rate and everything. Yeah, and also like there are domain specific requirements that are there. Yeah, so this is the default that Vercel give you, and this is the one that I bought it. You can always, like, this is a better brand value, like it's like 800 900 rupees, you can easily buy a domain. um, yeah, I would suggest buy it. Oh man, yeah, pro analysis takes time, but yeah, I prefer the result of it because I use it for myself. Okay, now it's loading. Let's see. Okay, nice. So I have 27 subscriber. This is 2.7k total views. So my niche is currently AI agents for backend system design, code review stuff. Yeah, this is based on the recent videos that I have shared. Okay, and view trend. Yeah, this is giving me last one video. Yeah, obviously for last 1 week I haven't been posting. I was traveling. Okay, so this is the root cause, and there are some. This is the free version, and then this is an locked version, and we'll apply some. Okay, let me unlock all. Okay, okay, cool. So for quick fixes you get like, and then once you unlock an item you get like full analysis of what is okay, what is good in my, so deep dive, root cause, low view ratio, pinned comment, conversation unused. Okay, okay, cool. So let's see if we can use some of this, what this suggests. Pin comment on a security code review agent. So I posted a shorts on Netflix system design and all. It's suggesting, it gives you like a proper how to, like if you are like, if you don't know the steps, like what to do and where to apply all the changes, and then you can track it, and then you get a mail also once it keeps a track of I don't want to do that weak title. Okay, we can do this. uh, cool. So I have changed security code review by agent to an AI code review backend. Let me do this. Change security code. So I have this channel here. Let's see my title. Okay, this one. Let's edit this.
In each of my code review and my security auditing, I
Okay,
have written them in a way that they whatever
okay,
issues they identify at that time, they raise a issue in the GitHub.
okay, okay. My content shorts. What's the short name? Okay, this one, right? Yeah, let's edit it. So I'll edit this. So like, see, I uploaded this from office, so yeah, I missed description, tagging, everything. It's fine. Even thumbnail is missing. It's yeah, and these cost you, but it's okay. So yeah, I've updated this. I'll not update more, but I'll just say that I have marked this as done. So once I mark this as done, I'll get a tracking dashboard. Yeah, so this is my progress tracking that is happening, and once and this is saying that it will track the progress for 10 days or like 11 days, and then I'll get a mail. So for mail I'm using this free service called Resend. I'll show you. Okay, yeah, so whenever like any diagnosis is done, yeah, like customer get this proper mails. So yeah, okay, so yeah, this is pretty good. And the very one very good feature that is there, this is a closed loop design. So like there are two types of design: open loop system, in which you provide an input to your model and then you get an output. There is a closed loop system in which you provide an input, you get an output, then you can have a feedback mechanism and memory that self evolve your agents and skills based on the feedback that it has received. So what I have done, in each analysis user has an option to give a feedback. Like suppose let's say I'll give feedback. Oh wow, this was quick fix. So and then user experience, yeah. So then I submit this feedback. Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, now let me show like how I manage a website. I always create one admin dashboard, and this is my view. Let me show my admin dashboard. Okay, so this is my admin dashboard. So till now 105 users have used it. These are 158 analysis that have been run. These are all user. I can see one user like tried to initiate a payment but didn't go through the payment. These are analysis. I cannot see the actual analysis. I can just see who ran the analysis. These are the payments that are still pending. Now these are the feedbacks, and then this is guest one. So when you don't log in, then what I don't have the Gmail information. So how do you manage that system? So you manage that system by doing an IP hashing, so that you can uniquely identify and index your database for faster query. And then I maintain an API health dashboard that helps me see like which all. So you see like a lot of people were overusing the same analysis for the same channel multiple times. So I had to place some rate limitings and all. There are preview rate limits, there are analysis rate limits. And but yeah, this is how the demo is. Now I can go into for the backend part of it. I had one video made for a Whoop MCP, for the personal health assistant, a full video if you see. In that I have gone through how I go through creation of any project. You first have your ideation stage, you create your speculation doc. From speculation doc you create your implementation doc. From there you split into multiple tasks. From there, if the tasks are very heavy, you can split into subtasks. Then I have a build agent and code review agent or security auditing agent that actually implement those tasks. And once those are done, I have a ship agent and issue orchestration agent that fix the issues or ship everything. So I will not repeat that again. That is already covered in one another video, you can just check it. What I want to cover now is like the front end part of it and database management part of it thing, and like how the workflow properly goes. And one more thing I wanted to cover, like what all skills I prefer other than my own personal agent setup. There are two skills I will talk about, and they are very good. One is this Matt Pocock skills. This skill, there is one skill that you can there are also what he has done on very good design books, he have created a skill. But one of my personal favorite is this grill me or grill with dog. I think grill with dog. Let me search grill with dogs. Oops, grill with uh, yeah, engineering grill with dog. Okay, this skill, if you load, it will keep on asking you like around 20-30 questions till you have a much more better clarity of what you are trying to design or what all, whichever doc you are reviewing. I use this on daily basis in my work also, and in any project that I do, where I think I need to have much more clarity of what I'm building. uh, and I go through this cycle of 20-30 questions, I address them. Then if I'm not satisfied, I again grill that doc. So I keep that process till I'm satisfied with that doc. So currently, like what prediction I have is that we will move from code to properly just English as a mediator, right? You don't write assembly code now, right? So same thing would happen with the code also. Currently it's already happening, but like a high level, I think it will converge more to just managing your doc. And once you will update your doc, your codes and everything in the downstream will get automatically updated, right? Like currently in your OSI layer, if you see you have application layer, there one more layer that is a human interaction layer, where you interact with the plain English. Lovable, Replit, everything is trying to do, but they have still not captured it perfectly. uh, okay, so yeah, I would not deviate from it, but I'll link this in the description section or a comment section. This is one. And the other one that I used for, so I created a pricing model for this. I don't care about if anyone pays for this and all, but this is completely created via a skill, and I would want to showcase that skill to you. uh, okay, so there is another skill that you should use, is a marketing skill. Okay, marketing skill, GitHub. Yeah, Corey 31, yeah. His skill, he has lot of skills on SEO, yeah, AI SEO, cold emails, your pricing strategy, paywall pricing. So, and you can download it. I think he has a README where you can just NPX skill set you can download. Yeah, I can just show you. So, like, if you create a website, like first time, this was my also first time when I was creating a front end website. I'm properly a full backend guy. So I missed a lot of stuff. Like I'll show you. Like if I go to the initial, there was no blog. This blog I added. There was no robots.txt file. This you need to give for the scrapers, web crawlers that are going on. So if you use these skills for SEO content, it will automatically create all this for you. And the other one, that is the paid measurements, your growth, retention, sales. Like as a technical guy, I don't know all these referral free tools strategy. There is a mechanism in which you have to follow these, but once you follow these, like cold emailing, like I didn't know, like I was sending these mails but my domain was not pretty warm. uh, but the if you I would suggest anyone who's like till here watching this video, build something every weekend or something if you're really interested in software engineering, and try to learn, right? If you are a front end guy, you can learn back end by actually designing stuff. If you are a, like I show you some stuff here, like this website, this if I show you my dashboard, so okay, right? So any of the analysis, if you see, there is a glow here, right? Okay, and then there is this animation that is running in the background. I didn't know about this and AI when I created the first version of it, or this one, it was not there. I always wanted to learn about this animation libraries, and also I went through that, and then I provided the context to the cloud and all, and then it created for me for this. Like, so when, if you like, what happened with, if you use Replit or Lovable, right? It converges. Everyone is having that same purple, black front end, same back end, like because it's based on normal distribution, probability works in that way, so nothing wrong with that. But to have this control as a designer, like it opens your creative gateway. So this is very interesting. Okay, yeah, I think I've pretty much covered. Okay, database, I think I covered that you should have a snapshot. If you have any database running, go and create a snapshot, right? uh, if AI edits anything or corrupt your data, and then you will not be able to recover back. Then if you are creating a front end, always have a pre-warm domain. Otherwise, even if you have these mailing and all, this will not work. It will go there directly into spam folder. And I think this is a good website, at least compared to like Vercel. I actually appreciate, this is a quick way of deploying stuff. And yeah, so, and they give you a lot of free integrations, and also this is good. And you can have deployment based on your commit. Every commit you do, it auto deploys. It handles your environments, and I think you can have your environment variables here. Okay, okay, so yeah. And backend, I'm using paywall, I'm using Razorpay. But I've seen international users are very reluctant to use Razorpay. There is a subscription one also that runs, but yeah. So, but yeah, and this full I was able to create in just one. If I've let me say, let's say some 2 days of effort combined, right? So, and now how this works, I think I already talked about it. So how it works: when you put your handle, uh, it internally passes that to one master YouTube agent that has a skills and sub-agent access that can scrap public using public APIs to get your recent 100 videos, what is missing on that, what is and then there is one root cause sub-agent, there is one niche analysis sub-agent. So why sub-agents, that also I covered in that WOOP video, but like wherever you can separate your context, don't try to do everything in one session. Have separate session for a specific thing, right? If I have to do a niche analysis, I can just do in a separate sub-agent. If I have to do root cause analysis, I can do separate in a, and if I have to give you action item, I can do that in a separate sub-agent. So don't have to mix it, and that gives you much more better output also. uh, it's fine that instead of one API call, you are making 4 more API calls, but you will get way more better output. Yeah, this is it. Any doubt that you have on any point, just mention it in the comment and I will try to answer that. Yeah, cool. Happy coding. See ya.